To make an offer on Vinted, start by typing Vinted into your web browser's search bar. The first option that appears should be Vinted.com. Once you're on the website, you'll see various sections, including the homepage, catalog, search bar, inbox, notifications, favorites, and profile or sign-in button. If you haven't already, click the sign-in button to log in using your email, username, or password. After accessing your account, you can navigate to the items page and select a random item, for example, a watch. On the items page, you'll find some information, including hashtags, and the options to make an offer or ask seller. Click on Make an Offer and enter your custom offer or use the suggested price. Your offer will be submitted, and you can expect feedback from the seller.